As much as possible, you don't want to be well paid, merely for taking big risks. Anyone can manage that. You want to be well paid, because you did your homework. Traders need a daily routine that they love. If you don't love it, you're not gonna do it. Trade the market in front of you, not the one you want. Patience is a key part of trading. Trading less often is usually better than trading frequently. Trading is not like a regular day job. You can't fit the market around your life. Money is the reward, an outcome of a successful trade. Thinking solely about the reward will cloud your judgment. Keep track of what is working in your trading strategy and what isn't. If something isn't working for you, cut it. Remember to keep a trading journal. The best traders never right all the time, they make losses too. Focus on getting more trades right than wrong and you'll be considered successful. The more complex your trading strategy is, the more things can go wrong.